Hello, champion. George Dewar here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. Today is October 9th, 2019. Excuse me. As you can see, we know it's inevitable. We know it's inevitable that cold weather's coming. Right? We know it. It's coming. That S word is coming. That cold weather's coming. So what I want to do for you today in today's cooking show is I want to make you a vegan hot cocoa. So here we go. I put 3 dates in. I got some coconut milk, or you can use almond milk. Right? And put that up in there, way down in there. Way down in there. Now we're going to take some of this cacao powder and put that in there. And what we're going to do is, that's 1 round tablespoon. Boop. I'm going to do another round tablespoon. Boop. That's it, like that, right? Bat, bat, bat. Bat, bat, bat. Put that back, close that up. We're going to close this bad boy up. And we're going to just let this roll. And we're going to just let it go. All right, champions, so now we just hit this for like 5 minutes. Now this is ready. As you can see, the steam coming off of that. Now we're going to pour this in. I'm making a hot mess over them, aren't I? Aren't I? It's nice and creamy too. Look at that. Nice and creamy. I need a paper towel. Oh, well, I can use this over here, y'all. Right quick, we just kind of wipe it off a little bit. Wipe this down a little bit. So what we want to do is just kind of recap. So we do earlier in the earlier part of the video, I said, if you go back and look at it, I said about 3 or 4 dates. But what you want to do is anywhere between 4 to 6 dates, 2 rounded tablespoons of the cacao powder, and then I use 2 cups of the coconut milk. This is ready, y'all. This is ready. So before we let me get a picture of this. I need to get a picture of this. Skippy over here with his font. Can y'all tell me? I'm looking for a good cameraman. Can you find me one? Because I'm trying to find somebody that's good. We always had this joke. So what we're doing is now I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of this delicious frothiness. Yeah. And now we're going to taste it, y'all. Thank you, Lord, for this here. Look at that. Got that nice frothiness in there. See that? I got to get a picture of that too, though. That frothiness. That frothiness is like good. That frothiness. There we go. There's that frothiness right there. Right there's that frothiness. Woo! All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to taste it. Kiss it up to God. Lord, thank you for this. We ask you to bless it in Jesus' precious name. Let the church say amen.
Amen.
Let the church say amen again.
Amen again.
All right, here we go. It's got that whippedness in it. That's good. So, guys, I assume that what I got to do here is let my son taste it, because you know you can never have nothing without somebody always got the pig feet. Collard greens. I want pig feet. I want collard greens. All right, that's good there. We'll put the rest of it in there. This is good though, y'all. This is delicious. So make sure that you guys share this video, like the video. Make sure you guys go below this link below, or to the left or to the right, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is awesome. This is delicious, man. Like I said, man, hey, the whole cold weather's coming. We got to be prepared for it. So this is some vegan hot chocolate. So guys, make sure, once again, make sure you go to www.sauceme.com, put your name and email in, you get 7 of these, 7 free recipes, Plus, you'll be tied into the world of Georgia Life cooking shows and all of our products and services. Right here, we got the 4 amazing flavors of our barbecue sauce. That's original, family friendly, mildly hot with a little bit kick. Mangalicious, sweet and spicy, and really hot. We also have an amazing rub. This is what happened to the rub when you use it. It's gone. You see that? It's almost gone. So inquire about how you can grab a hold of this as well. Y'all, you showing them that, man? I'll get me a new cameraman. So guys, we love you guys. Until tomorrow, I'm George Duhart from Georgia Live Cooking Show. God bless you guys. Until tomorrow, fired up.